What's up, everybody? Lindsay Duff here. It is a Thursday. I keep wanting to say June. Thursday, January 23rd, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I forgot to create an intro this morning, or this afternoon, I guess. I've only traded for about 30 minutes. Things have been just a little hectic around here, and that's okay. That's all right. I gave myself a little bit of time that I needed. I wanted to try and take another trade, but I felt myself just really trying to force it. So, without further ado, here's the video, y'all. What's up, y'all? Lindsay Duff here. I've got about an hour to spend with you. Let's make it count. Let's go check it out. Wow. You can really dance. Wow. You can really dance. Let's look at the daily chart really quick. Wow. So it's pulled back to a little area. It's starting to show that it's going to keep pushing up. Yes. That's going to give a really decent retracement, though. Let's look at the 4181. Yeah, look at that reversal bar. It's gonna go. It's gonna go from here. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, my dear. Let's check it out. Let's see if we can be a part of this. No? I feel like there's a trade I don't want to miss. We're right back into the reversal bar. That's okay. It's still going far. Man, this is showing that it's really going to pull back just a little bit more. So I think I just jumped into this because I want to be a part of it because I've been gone all day. Let's close that out. It's going to pull back further. Yeah, that was just silly. Reversal bars. Lean with it, rock with it, right? Go. Okay. My back is not feeling great, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and keep moving this up just a little bit. I'm hitting close. We didn't pull up here. It's pulling back. Do I think it's gonna come all the way back? No. But it has a decent chance of pulling back into here with this little bit of a lower pivot in the MACD. I think I might have exited that just a little bit early. Let's check this out. Rolling off this bottom Bollinger Band here, still a lot of strength. Kind of reversal bars pulling back. For the fun of it, pull this puppy off. Getting ready to take this one out. Ooh, these tiny little reversal bars here. They're on the 610 too. They didn't make me super comfortable, so I wanted to go ahead and take that exit. I'm going to pull this to a break even. hitting close here. These bars are just getting so little, right? And we do tend to see a move in the opposite direction when they lose steam. And we can see it, and there we go. We're losing major steam now for a deep enough pullback that I wasn't going to be comfortable with. Now I'm using that 233 to take the entry, so that means I need to be wise and use that 233 to take the exit as well. You know, I just realized I don't think I did an introduction in this video. I'll go back and do it. We can add an intro. So I was so not on point with things that I did not even where am I? There we go. I didn't even pull these over and check them out. So let's do it on this chart because it's going to be a little bit easier to see because they are very close together. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there we go. I don't know what was going on with that. So first one, I lost 2 points. I only ended up 4 points for today. The next one, I got 2 points. So let's go ahead and put these on here while I'm doing this. So altogether, I had 3 trades, 1 loss, 2 wins, plus 4 points. Y'all, I am not taking home on runs, and there has been some big moves. Alright, guys. That's all she wrote. We're going to cut it off right there. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I have a one-on-one with a student in about 20 minutes. Man. Wish I didn't have internet issues earlier. There was some really great long trades happening. But it is what it is. I think I'm going to go back and record an intro because I forgot to do that, I think. I don't know. I have to go back and watch and see. But otherwise, guys, I have plans to be around tomorrow. We shall see. I hope that everybody has had a excellent Thursday. Otherwise, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.